I wanted to share an activity that shows the beauty of mathematics. Here we're asked to graph each function over the domain, the closed interval from 0 to 1. We have y equals x squared, y equals the square root of x, y equals x cubed, y equals the cube root of x, continuing all the way to y equals x to the 10th, and y equals the 10th root of x. Notice how we have a series of power functions and radical functions. Let's graph these functions using Desmos.com. To save time, I've already set this up. Notice how I've entered all of the functions. If you're curious for the square root, click on the Show Keypad button, and the square root button is here in the lower left-hand corner. For all of the other radicals, click Functions, click Miscellaneous, and use the nth root key, which is here in the middle. Let's go ahead and close the Desmos keypad. Also notice how for the domain restriction, which must be entered in curly brackets, I've entered x is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to a, and then I have a slider for a going from 0 to 1, which means as a increases from 0 to 1, we will see all the functions graphed at one time on the coordinate plane. Let's go ahead and click play. Notice how the functions create a beautiful symmetrical graph. If we focus in on the line y equals x, which is a line here in the middle, notice how if we were to fold the graph across this line, the two halves would match up perfectly. And this is because we have a series of inverse functions over this interval. Y equals x squared and y equals the square root of x are inverses over this interval, and so are y equals x cubed and y equals the cube root of x all the way down to y equals x to the 10th and y equals the 10th root of x. Let's take a look at that one more time in black and white, and then we'll take a look at it in color. And now let's take a look at the same graph in color. And let's click play. Thank you for watching.